So I did get a little bit of lint out of it just by sucking on it, but that seemed kind of gross, and who knows what kind of crap is in there. So I decided to see if I could do it with a hanger. Oh, and it seems like it is working to pull that out. I don't know if I can do it with two hands though to tape this. You can see it's going in there, and I am getting out some goop. So I'm going to use two hands to do this, but I'm going to see if I can get that cleared with this hanger. So I didn't get it perfect, but I got it quite a bit better. As you can see, it's not as nearly as crazy now. You can see I got a lot of stuff out there too with that coat hanger, so it kind of worked fairly well. We'll put it back together now. And we'll see if that's good enough. Well, I did get that cleaned out there for the most part. Plugged her back in, and as you can see, it's spinning, so that was our problem. That's pretty cool. Here, I thought I was going to have to replace that. So I guess if it's not the switch, the lid switch, it might be the water level switch down here. Hope it helps someone else out.